welcome back to my YouTube channel. We thank God it's a happy new year. I want to give you the best oral health tips that will keep your teeth healthy and even your gums healthy. I want also to wish you the very best in this year, and I wish you a prosperous new year 2024. And please make sure you practice all these I'm going to tell you, because they are the things that you'll do at home and help you have overall body health and have healthy teeth and gums. The tips are: one is about brushing. Make sure you brush twice in a day. In the morning to keep your friends, so that when you speak to them, they don't run away. So that will remove all the bad breath that comes from your mouth in the morning, and in the evening to keep your teeth. You brush before you sleep so that you will help your teeth, and because there is no production of saliva, there is no saliva now to cleanse all the food remains from your teeth. We have millions and millions of bacteria in our mouth, and at night they have all the time. The body is relaxed, so they will eat the food debris, then they produce byproducts called lactic acid that will now cause your teeth to decay. They will erode the enamel, weaken the enamel, and remember, our enamel is the underst part, under even than bones. But when its minerals and are removed by those acids, now the enamel becomes weak, and now the teeth develop cavities. So please brush in the morning and brush in the evening. The other thing is flossing. Make sure you floss once in a day. That is in the evening before you sleep, before even you brush and sleep, so that you remove all the food debris in between the teeth. Remember, the toothbrush cannot clean in between the teeth. You will notice your teeth are starting to stain in between, then they become black, and then they develop cavities. This is because you don't floss. So please make sure you floss properly all the teeth, and then you brush and sleep. The other point is brushing the tongue. Many people will not brush their tongue. They will say, oh, I will vomit, I'm feeling like vomiting, but it's very important to brush your tongue. Remember, all the bacteria deposits on the tongue from back of your tongue coming on the front side. And when you don't brush your tongue, you'll have that bad breath, and even you can develop cavities. So please make sure you use a tongue scraper and you brush your tongue properly after brushing. Another thing is make sure you use a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps us keep our teeth from developing cavities. So it's very important to use a fluoride toothpaste. And another thing, after brushing in the evening, it's also good to use a fluoride mouthwash to rinse your mouth. Also, that one can protect your teeth. It always covers our teeth and protect our teeth from developing cavity. Then about brushing, I want to mention about the brushing technique. Don't brush anyhow. There are some people who will scratch their teeth like they are scratching maybe the wall or the carpet. Please, there is that procedure of brushing your teeth gently from back. You can either wiggle gently, or even you can use a circular motion from the back teeth coming to the other side, then on the chewing surfaces, then on the inner surfaces, all that. This is because when you brush, and you will erode your enamel, and you will also wear out your gum and start getting gum diseases and even cavities the exposed areas of your teeth. So please, about brushing, there is a video I made on how to brush properly. I will link it here so that you can learn how you can brush well to protect your teeth. I want now to give you the bad oral habits that you're gonna stop this year to protect your teeth and gums. Number one is stop using your teeth as tools. There are some people who will take a hand nut, crush, chewers, open bottle caps. These things are harmful to our teeth. They can make us develop TMJ problems, crack our teeth, and make us lose our teeth. Another thing is grinding. If you are teeth grinding, please stop. If you are teeth grinding during the day, maybe it's due to stress. Avoid stress at all costs. Try to do jaw exercises like moving the jaw right and left side, trying to resist or opening and even closing, massaging on the joints. Please try to relax and avoid stress, because grinding your teeth will wear out your enamel, cause jaw aches, teeth aches, ear aches, and many problems. If you are teeth grinding during the night, please go to the dental clinic. You can be given a mouth guard and it will protect your teeth at night. Then another thing that you're gonna stop doing is you check on your diet. If you are eating too much sugary foods or acidic drinks, please try to minimize or limit the sugary foods intake so that you will protect your teeth from developing cavities. The other thing to do, if you are not doing it, is having a good oral hygiene practices. There are people who have poor oral hygiene. They don't brush their teeth at all. They are there. They don't know, but they sleep. They have not brushed their teeth in the morning. They wake up and just leave. Please remember, good oral health will reflect on your overall body health. I always emphasize that if you have gum diseases, they can get into your bloodstream and cause heart problems and even cause diabetes. So please, make sure you have good oral hygiene practices like that of brushing, flossing, rinsing your mouth, and you will keep your overall body healthy. Another thing is about brushing. Don't brush too hard, as I've said, because when you do that, you will destroy your enamel. There are some people who think brushing too hard is the right way to go. Please don't. Another thing is about whitening. There is a video I did about teeth whitening. There are some people who will do too much teeth whitening. This one will destroy your enamel and even destroy your teeth. There are some people who will just get toothpaste for teeth whitening. Remember, it contains abrasives that will wear out your enamel. And remember, once your enamel is, when the enamel is rubbed off, you will start getting sensitivity, and even the nerve inside the tooth can be affected. And remember, eating will be a problem, because you can't take hot things, cold things. Finally, problems can arise and you will miss your teeth. So please don't do too much whitening. If you want to whiten, and I said that dark teeth doesn't mean that you have bad teeth. So please, if you want to whiten your teeth, go to the dental clinic. You can be advised on the best ways to whiten your teeth, the ways that will not harm your teeth. Another thing to avoid this year to protect your teeth and gums is make sure you don't take too hot things or too cold things. This one will make your teeth to develop small cracks that will eventually make your teeth to be sensitive, and you also won't be able to live a good life, because when your teeth are sensitive, you know how uncomfortable it is. To remind you a little bit on brushing. When brushing, please make sure you start from the last tooth here so that you won't forget. You start from the last. Many people forget and get the cavities on the last tooth here. And because all the plaque buildup is around our teeth and gums, please angle your brush at an angle of 45 degrees towards the gums. Then you can wiggle gently, or you can use the circular motion like that. You come brushing one or two teeth at a time, and you come to the other side, the last tooth here. Then on the chewing surfaces, and please on this side don't use the forward and backward movement, because you can destroy your gums and get cavities. On the chewing surfaces, you can use now the forward and backward movement. Many people forget to brush even the chewing surfaces and get cavities on the chewing surfaces. These we call them grooves and fissures. So please make sure you brush well on the chewing surfaces. Then on the area here we call it lingual surface. Many people forget and get plaque and calculus buildup. Please make sure you angle your brush like this and brush here. Then on the inner surfaces, you use the same method. You angle your brush at an angle of 45 degrees. Then you can wiggle gently or use the circular motion. On the other side, the same case, you start from the last tooth, then you can use the circular motion, or you wiggle gently like that to the last tooth here, then on the chewing surfaces, then on the lingual surfaces, and even this part. And then the tongue. Don't forget to brush the tongue, as I've told you, because there is all that food buildup, bacteria buildup on the tongue, and when you forget, you will start having bad breath. About flossing, I told you, you floss in between the teeth to the two parts, this side, and don't snap down. When you snap down, you will cut the gum in between the tooth here. On that video, I will link it. This is just a reminder on how you have to brush your teeth. At least brush for 2 minutes. There are some people who will put the fluoride toothpaste, do like this and finish. Please use at least 2 to 3 minutes so that you will reach all the areas. You should, when you pass your tongue on your teeth, you should feel your teeth are smooth. There is no roughness. And remember, when you notice your teeth turning like yellow, having those films, and things on your teeth, go for the checkup so that professional teeth cleaning can be done to your teeth to remove all those bacteria or plaques or the calculus buildup. Please, protecting your teeth is very, very important, because when you lose teeth, remember, you will use the visual profile, you will start having low self-esteem, eating will be a problem, and when you are not eating a good diet, you will start having problems with your body, because your body is lacking some very, very important minerals. So please, let's protect our teeth at all costs, because this area is neglected so much. And remember, when you continue swallowing those bacteria, you will start getting even the tonsils. Even you can start having stomach problems, heart problems. So please, let's protect our teeth and having that good smile. You feel confidence, you feel comfortable to talk to people, but when you have those decays, you feel you have low self-esteem. Let's now even go for checkup this year. Don't neglect checkups, please. At least after every 6 months, go for checkup. And if you are told you have many problems with your teeth, they need a certain period to be treated, please adhere to the advice that you are given so that you protect your overall body health. Please, I thank you for watching. Make sure you at least share to friends so that they can know the various ways to protect their teeth and gums. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'm so much grateful for that. Wish you all the very best this year. See you next time. Thank you.